So let's continue chapter number 6, division part 6. Children, today we will see exercise 6.3. So question number 1 is divide using the short division method. So children, in the last class we already discussed how to divide using short division method. So today in this exercise, let's start with question number A. So question number A is divide 7894 by 9 or 7894 divided by 9. So what is 7894 here, children? Yes, that is our dividend, the number to be divided. And what is 9 here? 9 here is the divisor, the number by which we are going to divide. So we will write divisor on the left hand side, that you can see we have written 9 here, and that dividend we will write on the right hand side, that you can see 7894. Now let's divide. So first we will take the first digit of the dividend, which is 7 here, but that is smaller than 9, so we will take one more digit. So now we have 78. Now you just see the multiplication table of 9. How many times will give you less than 78? So 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, and 9 9s are 81. It will be more than 78. So how many times? 9 8s are. So 9 8s are, we will go for 9 8s are 72. Now that 78 minus 72, what you will get? 8 minus 2, 6, 7 minus 7, 0 here. So that 6 we will write just above the next digit of the dividend. So what is the next digit of the dividend? 9. Just above that we will write this difference, which is 6, and we will circle it like this. So now we have 69. Okay, 6 9 69. Now just see the multiplication table of 9. That should not be more than 69. So 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, will be more than 69. So how many times? 9 7s are. So we will write here 9 7s are 63. Now 69. Now 69 minus 63. What you will get, children? You will get 9 minus 3, 6, and there you will get 0. So that 6 we will write just above the next digit of the dividend. So now what do we have? We have 6 4 64. So now again we will go for 9 7s are 63, because 9 8s are 72 will be more than 64. So 9 7s are 63. Now that 63, when subtracted from this 64, what we will get? 63 subtracted from 64, we will get 1. So this shows what is our quotient obtained here. Quotient is 877, and is there any remainder? Yes, remainder is 1, that we will write here. So in this way we will divide using short division method, and this will be our answer. Got it, children? Now let's move to the next question. Now question number B is 9684 divided by 12. So we will write like this first, and now we will say the multiplication table of 12, which will give us more than the first two digit we will take. Okay, 96. So 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, and 12 8s are 96. So 12 8 times we will go for 12 8 times. So 96 12 8s are 96. So 96 when subtracted from 96 will give 0. So that 0 we will write just above the next digit of the dividend. So now we have 8. But you can see here children, this 8 is smaller than the divisor, which is 12. So what we will do? We will write one 0 here, isn't it? Because we will not get 8 in the multiplication table of 12. So we will go for 1 less than the table of 12 ones we cannot take. So we will go for 12 0 times. So 0 times, when we will write that 0 just below 8 and subtract 0 from 8, what we will get? We will get 8 only. So with that we will write above the next digit of the dividend. So now we have 84. So how many times in the multiplication table of 12, how many times we will get 84? Yes, 12 sevens are. So that we will write here, 12 sevens are 84. So 84 minus 84, will we get, we will not get any remainder then, because that is completely divisible. So what is the quotient here children? Quotient will be 807. And is there any remainder? No, because that number is completely divisible by 12. So remainder will be 0. Got it children? So in this way, this is our answer. Quotient is 807 and remainder is 0. Okay? Now let's see the next question. Now question number 2 is divide using both long and short division method. Let's see question number A. 7642 divided by 8. So let's divide it first by long division method. So we'll write 8 here and 7 6 4 2. Now we'll first take the first 2 digits of the dividend. So now we have 76. So 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are, we will go for 8 9 times. 8 9s are 72. Now 6 minus 2, we will get 4 here. Now we will bring down the next digit from the dividend. So now we have 44. So 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48 will be more than 44. So how many times? 8 5 times. So 8 5s are 40. Now we'll subtract. So 4 minus 0, 4, and there 4 minus 4, 0. Now we'll bring down the next digit from the dividend, which is 2. So now we have 42. So again 8 5s are 40, because 8 6 are 48 will be more. So 8 5s are 40. Now let's subtract. So 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 0, 4, 0. So in this way the quotient is 955, whereas remainder is 2 here. Now let's do the same question using short division method. So again we will take first 2 digits of the dividend. So 8 9s are 72. So when we will subtract 72 from that 76, we will get 4. That will write just after the next digit of the dividend. So now we have 4 4 44. Now we'll go for 8 5s are 40, because 8 6 are 48 will be more. So 8 5s are 40. So when we'll subtract that 40 from 44, we will get 4, which we will write just above the next digit of the dividend. So again 8 5s are 40. Now when we will subtract that 40 from this 42, we will get 2 as remainder, isn't it? So what is the quotient obtained children? In both the cases you can see the quotient is same only, which is 955. And what is the remainder children? Remainder is 2. Okay. So in this way we can do the division using short division as well as long division method. Now let's see the next question. Now the next is number B, 6873 divided by 9. So let's do it first using long division method. So 9, there we will write 6, 8, 7, 3. So first we will take first two digits of the dividend, that is 68. So 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, which will be more than this 68. So how many times? 9 sevens are. So 9 sevens are 63. So let's subtract. 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 6, 0. Now we'll bring down the next digit from the dividend, which is 7. So 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63 will be more. So how many times? 9 six are. So 9 six are 54. We'll write just below that and subtract. So 7 minus 4, 3. Now we'll bring down the next digit from the dividend. So that is 3. So 9 fours are 36. So how many times? 9 threes are 27. So 9 threes are 27. Now let's subtract. We have to borrow here. So this will be 13 and there we'll have 2. So 13 minus 7 we'll get 6 and 2 minus 2, 0. So in this way quotient here is 763. Now let's do using the same question using short division method. So again we will take first two digits of the dividend. So 9 sevens are 63. So 63 when subtracted from 68 will give 5. That we will write just above the next digit of the dividend. So now we have 57. Now we'll go for 9 6 are 54. Because 9 sevens are 63 will be more than 57. So 9 6 are 54. Now when that's 54 subtracted from 57, we'll get 3. So that 3 we will write just above the next digit of the dividend. So now we have 33. So 9 3s are 27. Now we'll go for 9 3s are 27 because 9 4s are 36 will be more than 33. So 9 3s are 27. Now when that 27 subtracted from that 33, we will get 6. So what does it shows, children? It shows that quotient here is obtained here is 763, whereas remainder is 6. Got it, children? So in this way we can divide by both the methods.